Hello. Welcome to LProof Learning Channel. In this video, we will explain how to factorize any number to its prime factors using two ways. Follow me. In the beginning, let's remember the meaning of prime number. Prime numbers are numbers that have just two factors, 1 and the number, like number 2, whose factors are 1 and 2, number 3, whose factors are 1 and 3, number 5, whose factors are 1 and 5, number 7, whose factors are 1 and 7, and number 11, whose factors are 1 and 11. Now we are going to learn how to factorize any number to its prime factors. For example, can be factorized number 18 using two ways. First way is tree method, and we apply this method by writing the number 18. Then we search for two numbers whose product is 18, so that one of them is a prime number. For example, 9 times 2. And now we see that the number 9 is not a prime number, so we factorize the number 9 for the product of two numbers. So we find 3 times 3 equals 9. And because the numbers 2, 3, and 3 are prime numbers, so factoring the number 18 into its prime factors will be 2 times 3 times 3. The second method is the method of division, and we apply this method by writing the number 18. Then we start dividing by the prime numbers as you see it now. Then we start dividing the number 18 by the number 2, so we get 9. Then we divide the number 9 again into the prime number 3, and we will divide 9 by 3. We get 3, then divide it again by 3, and we get 1. And with this we have finished the factorize. And the numbers that are written in this column are the ones that represent the prime factors of the number. So the factorization of the number 18 for the prime factor is 2 times 3 times 3. And now let's try these methods on another number. The next number is 24. We will start with the first method, which is the tree method, and we start writing the number 24. Then we search for two numbers whose product is 24. For example, 4 times 6. Then we rewrite the number 4 to the product of 2 times 2. And we also rewrite the number 6 as the product of 2 times 3, because both numbers 4 and 6 are not prime numbers. Now we will find that 2, 2, 2, and 3 are all prime numbers, and therefore factoring the number 24 into its prime factors is 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. Now let's try the second method, which is the division method. As usual, we will start writing the number 24, then divide over and over again by the prime numbers, and we will start by dividing 24 by 2, so we get 12. Then we repeat and divide 12 by 2, so we get 6. Then we divide 6 by 2, so we get 3. And finally we divide 3 by 3, so we get 1. Thus we have completed the division process, and the prime factors of 24 will be 2, 2, 2, and 3. Now let's see the last number. In this example, we will factorize the number 30 for its prime factors, and we will quickly start with the tree method. And here we will write the number 30. Then we will search for two numbers whose product is 30. Let it be, for example, 3 times 10. And because the number 10 is not prime, we will search for two numbers that are the result multiplied by 10, which are the two numbers 2 and 5. And here we will find that the numbers 3, 2, and 5 are all prime numbers, and therefore the factorizing of the number 30 for its prime factors will be 2 times 3 times 5. And if we use the method of division, then we start by writing the number 30, then we divide 30 by 2, so we get 15. Then we divide the number 15 by 3, so we get 5, and finally we divide 5 by 5, so we get 1. So the factorization of 30 is 2 times 3 times 5. And of course, you can write the prime factors in any order, because as you know, multiplication is a commutative operation. In the end, you must take care of a very important note, which is that when we multiply the prime factors of any number by some of them, we get the same number. For example, the number whose prime factors are 2, 3, and 3 will be the number 18. because when we multiply 2 times 3 times 3, the result will be 18. In the same way, the number whose prime factors are 2, 2, 2, and 5 will be the number 40, because when we multiply 2 times 2 times 2 times 5, the result will be 40. In the end, I hope that the explanation was perfect and simple. Thanks for watching and listening. See you next time.